some of us that wrote our JAMB this year, 2024, of course, JAMB has released the result for the exam. But you must have noticed that not everybody have seen their results. JAMB withheld some results. And in this video, you will learn about why they withheld those results and what you can do if your own result was withheld. Okay, look at these statistics. The prof, the chairman of JAMB, gave us that about 1,904,189 persons registered search for JAMB last year. I mean, this 2024. And in that number, 1.4 million candidates scored below 200. This is very, very scary. Over 73.7% scored below 200. Now, the statistics also show that the result of 64,624 candidates were being withheld. About 64,000 candidates, their results are being withheld. So you might be checking your JAMB result and you have not been able to see it. This video, we will show you why, the reason behind you not having seen your own JAMB result. Just follow. The register disclosed that 282,896 candidates are under investigation for verification. About 280-something, 2,896, their results are being investigated. Now, this is just a video we have done. If you have not seen this video, if you have not also checked your own JAMB result and you are looking for how to check it, go to our channel and watch this video right now. Watch it, and if you need the link that will help you to check your JAMB score, JAMB result, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, then come under this comment and tell me I have subscribed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, then come under the comment and say of this video and say I have subscribed. Then I will send you the link to check your result, also the code if you want to check it through SMS. Let's go back. 4,594 are under investigation for procedural investigation. That's with her. And about 57,056 are under center-based investigation. Some centers, their JAMB is still investigating their candidates. It may be why your result is not out. Especially in 18 centers. In Edo, there are 12 centers in Edo that is being investigated. In Akwa Ibom, 3 centers are being investigated. In Delta, 2 centers are being investigated. And in Kwara State, 1 center is being investigated. Then 78 candidates are being investigated for exam misconduct or exam malpractice. This could be why your result has not shown on the JAMB website. But there is a good news. JAMB will not keep withholding the result. By 4th of May, that is few days from now, your JAMB result, those that have not seen it, JAMB result, the release date for withheld the result is 4th of May. 4th of May 2024. JAMB results that are being withheld. If you have not seen your own, by 4th of May, you will see your own. Remember, like I said, if you have not checked your JAMB result and you want us to send you the link, go to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial, subscribe to the YouTube channel, come under this video, this particular video, say I have subscribed. Once you say I have subscribed, I will send you the link that will help you to check your JAMB results. So this is our school. If you want to communicate with us, this is our contact. We wish you good luck. Remember, subscribe to Noble Tutorials right now. Come under the comment and tell me you have subscribed. Then I will keep guiding you and answering your other questions.